Hi, I'm Nick from Dorman Products. If you have a vehicle equipped with a MagneRide suspension, you already know what an amazing feature this is, with its uncompromising mix of ride, comfort, and active performance. What makes this technology possible is a special magneto-rheological fluid. Basically, tiny iron particles infused in the fluid change its viscosity when an electrical charge is applied to the magnet in the shock body. The strength of this magnetic field can be adjusted 1,000 times a second to respond instantly to changing performance demands. Dorman's magnetic shock absorbers use the same patented technology as the original equipment magnetic shocks, right down to the same magnetic fluid, but cost a fraction of what the dealer charges. Dorman's magnetic shock absorbers are direct replacements for the original shocks. Installation is as simple as replacing any other shock absorber, requiring no additional programming or setup. For more information on Dorman's complete line of active suspension, including magnetic shocks, check out dormanproducts.com.